subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Good morning friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sir Abdul Sattar Khan 10th English Writing Skill Verbal to Non-Verbal SCERT Question Bank Important Tips and Tricks 5 मार्क्स के लिए आएगा। चलिए देखते हैं इसको सॉल्व कैसे करना है। ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का A2 है, इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफ़र का सेकेंड पार्ट है, वर्बल टू नॉन वर्बल, टोटल 5 मार्क्स। For this question, you will be given a verbal information, a paragraph related to some topic or issue. यानी इस सवाल में आपको एक पैराग्राफ दिया जाएगा और आपको उसे सॉल्व करना है। You will have to pick out the main points from the information and reframe it in the form of a table, a tree diagram, a flow chart, a web, a pie diagram, a map, etc. as mentioned in the instructions. In other words, you will be converting verbal information into non-verbal form. यानी आपको पैराग्राफ जो दिया जाएगा उसमें से कुछ पॉइंट्स आपको पिकअप करना है इंफॉर्मेशन को और उसे फिल करना है किसी टेबल में, ट्री डायग्राम, फ्लो चार्ट, वेब डायग्राम, पाई डायग्राम या मैप में, जैसा कि आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन दी जाएंगी। यानी आप वर्बल इंफॉर्मेशन को नॉन वर्बल फॉर्म में ट्रांसफॉर्म करेंगे। Your answer should contain only those words which are essential part for the non-verbal presentation. Avoid adding your own points. यानी आपको जो पैराग्राफ में दिए गए पार्ट के इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स है वो नॉन वर्बल प्रेजेंटेशन में ही ऐड करना है। इसमें एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स ऐड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। Go over once again the points that you have used in the diagram carefully. It is very important to understand what is expected in the answer. जब पूरा लिख लें तो आप वो पॉइंट्स का दोबारा जायज़ा लीजिए ताकि आपका आंसर डायग्राम में लिखते वक्त सही लगे और बेहतर लगे। इसका मार्किंग स्कीम है, सबसे पहले आपको टाइटल लिखना है 1 मार्क, यानी जो भी आप डायग्राम बनाएंगे उसमें जो मेन पॉइंट रहेगा वो टाइटल रहेगा। कवरिंग ऑल पॉइंट्स, यानी इसमें पूरे पॉइंट्स कवर करने को 2 मार्क्स मिलेंगे। अप्रोप्रिएट ग्राफिक लेआउट 1 मार्क, यानी पूरा ग्राफिक बनाने के लिए 1 मार्क रहेगा। ओवरऑल प्रेजेंटेशन 1 मार्क, टोटल 5 मार्क्स रहेंगे। वर्बल टू नॉन वर्बल, रीड द गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन, कंप्लीट द टेबल गिवन विथ इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द पैसेज। अब इसमें जो दी गई इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो इन्फॉर्मेशन का इस्तेमाल करके आपने क्या करना है, एक टेबल को कंप्लीट करना है। अब कौन सा टेबल है ये, नंबर्स, टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल्स और फॉर्मेशन इसमें फिल करना है। देयर आर 4 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल। दे आर लैटरेट सॉइल, सैंडी डेजर्ट सॉइल, ब्लैक कॉटन सॉइल एंड एलोवियल सॉइल। द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ लैटेराइट सॉइल takes place due to the washing of silica, salt, organic matter and accumulation of sesquioxide. Sandy desert soil, on the other hand, is formed due to the action of winds. Mechanical weathering of igneous rocks leads to the formation of black cotton soil. Last but not the least, in the rich alluvial soil that is obtained through the depositing process of rivers. Soil types and formation इसका टाइटल है। पहला पॉइंट है लैटेराइट सॉइल, यानी इसमें एक टेबल दिया हुआ है, इसमें फिल करना है। टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल्स में लैटेराइट सॉइल, सैंडी डेजर्ट सॉइल, ब्लैक कॉटन सॉइल, एलोवियल सॉइल। फॉर्मेशन due to the washing of silica, salt, organic matter and accumulation of sesquioxide. Sandy desert soil due to the action of winds. Black cotton soils, mechanical weathering of igneous rocks, and alluvial soil, the depositing process of rivers. Information transfer का दूसरा है verbal to non-verbal. Read the following information given below and transfer the information in tabular form. The gulmohar and banyan trees can easily be spotted by a variety of differences. Gulmohar trees have compound leaves. They are feathery in appearance and bright green in color. The leaves of banyan trees are large, glossy green and elliptic Kaolin shape. The Gulmohar trees has striking bright orange, red and yellow color flowers. The banyan trees bears no flowers. On the other hand, the Gulmohar trees no fruits, but you will find figs growing on the banyan tree. The roots of the Gulmohar tree have nitrogen fixing properties. The banyan tree, by contrast, is known for its aerial roots. गुलमोहर और बनियान ट्री के बीच में यहाँ टेबल कंप्लीट करना है. लीव्स, फ्लावर्स, फ्रूट्स एंड रूट्स. गुलमोहर कंपाउंड ब्राइट ग्रीन लीव्स. बनियान Gulmohar compound bright green leaves, striking bright orange, red, yellow flowers. Gulmohar trees has no fruits. Gulmohar trees roots has nitrogen fixing properties. Banyan trees large glossy elliptical leaves, no flowers at all. Banyan tree has figs on it. Banyan trees are known for its aerial roots. Verbal to non-verbal. Read the following passage and complete the table. Amla has many health benefits. It is a rich source of vitamin C. This helps to improve the immunity of the body and gives physical strength. It has many health benefits. It acts as a diuretic and laxative. It is used to treat constipation. It can even cure insomnia. It is important component of Ayurvedic medicines and has been used traditionally for the treatment of scalp. It is very healthy for hair. People use amla as a cooling agent to reduce the effects of sunstrokes and sunburns. टेबल दिया हुआ है. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ आंवला. यूजेस: न्यूट्रिएंट विटामिन सी, हेल्थ बेनिफिट, आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन, कूलिंग एजेंट. Nutrient vitamin C improves immunity and increases physical strength. Health benefits: acts as a diuretic and laxative agent used to treat constipation and cure insomnia. Ayurvedic medicine used for treatment of scalp and healthy hair. Cooling agent reduces effects of sunstroke and sunburns. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का ए का इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफ़र है 5 मार्क्स के लिए. वर्बल टू नॉन वर्बल. द यूजेस ऑफ मोटरसाइकिल. आपको इसके यूजेस लिखना है. वेव डायग्राम बनाकर इसमें यूजेस लिखना है. The motorcycle has become a vehicle that has many uses not only in the town but also in the countryside. For one thing, it saves a lot of time. Even in towns and villages, it is very useful for college students who have to travel long distances. Instead of depending on the regular bus services, there are many people in towns and cities who keep motorcycle for their servants to go out and buy provisions. Workers in cities and even farmers in villages use the motorcycle frequently. This is because the motorcycle helps to get the work done speedily. Of course, in order to drive the motorcycle, a driving license is compulsory. Also, one must use a helmet and drive carefully to avoid serious accidents. The uses of motorcycle used in the town and in the countryside. अब देखिए इसका आप वेव डायग्राम बना सकते हैं. हमने यहाँ फ्लो चार्ट बनाया है. यूज़फुल फॉर कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स, सेव्स टाइम्स. यूज़फुल फॉर फार्मर्स, वर्कर्स, सर्वेंट्स, हेल्प टू get work done speedily. Driving license compulsory. Careful driving, use of helmets to avoid serious accidents. Read the following paragraph and complete the table by putting in current information. Suggest a suitable title. While preparing to plant trees in a residential colony, highways or anywhere, one should consider 3 factors taking decision: what kind of species trees, where to plant, and what kind of soil. he should consider qualities of a tree such as pattern of branching and its height. If it is a school, you need shade-giving trees of moderate height so that children can play under them and not be hurt when they climb onto them. In residential colonies, trees with thick branches like eucalyptus or Ashoka should be chosen to control pollution and trap dust. Similarly, the nature of the soil too should be considered. If you are planting trees by the roadside, it withstands the tropical monsoon and provides shades in summer. On highways, the well known choice would be the native trees, tamarind, or peepal. Being hardy, they do not need much care. Birds and animals interact more easily with native trees than the exotics. Villagers to consider such native trees to be sacred as the abode of gods. Kinds of trees: shade giving short trees, eucalyptus ashoka trees, trees with thick branches, tamarind and peepal. Native trees: where to plant: shade giving trees, school, eucalyptus ashoka, residential colony, trees with thick branches, residential colonies, tamarind peepal, roadside. Uses: shade giving trees, children climb and play, enjoy shade of a tree. Eucalyptus ashoka, control pollution, remove dust. Trees with thick branches provide shade, withstand the wind. Tamarind and peepal trees, roadside. Birds and animals interact more with the native trees. Villagers consider them sacred. उम्मीद है आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगले वीडियो में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी।